Laugh lines can make you appear older than you are, but there are ways to reduce or eliminate them. Applying moisturizers with collagen can plump up and repair your skin. Exfoliating with a skin exfoliant or a homemade mixture of brown sugar and coconut oil can remove dead skin cells and reduce fine lines. Protecting your skin from the sun with sunscreen and wearing a hat can prevent sun damage. Using blurring creams or primer can temporarily hide laugh lines. Dermal filler treatments can smooth laugh lines, but they only last for a few months and can be expensive. Seeking treatments from a healthcare provider, such as anti-wrinkle creams or laser treatment, can also help. Facial exercises like facial yoga and cheek exercises can firm up muscles and reduce wrinkles. Drinking plenty of water, exercising regularly, and consuming foods rich in antioxidants and omega-3 fatty acids can also improve your skin and reduce laugh lines.